Hi, this is Anubha Kopreti from AT Education, live from GISS 2026 Chandigarh. I have with me Kalpana K, IFS Project Director, World Bank Project, Department of School Education, Additional Secretary, School Education, Government of Punjab. Hello, ma'am. I
Hello.
welcome you here at GISS
Same here.
2026.
Same here. It's my pleasure.
I would like to ask you, ma'am, how is your overall experience at GISS 2026?
See, this is one of the best platforms, I would say, because this is the first time I got to interact with many stakeholders. It's not only the government side, it's also the private leaders who are participating in the education sector, and also the innovators, and also school leaders, and also private school managers. So we get to interact, and I believe this will be a best platform to learn. That is, they can learn from us, and we can learn from them.
Great platform for learning
Exactly.
and networking.
Exactly.
Further, I would like to ask you, ma'am, if you would like to, how would you see government policy enabling tech-powered future-ready classrooms without leaving any child behind?
As I've already said, our policy is centered on four key aspects: competency based education, and continuous teacher training and development, and data driven decision making, and also digital and blended learning. In all these four aspects, I believe if the technology is integrated, which will make us take quick decisions, and the data that we have collected, if it make us manage a system properly and also improve the competency level of the children, with time we will be 100% aligned with national education policy and also with vision 2047.
That is great, ma'am. I further like to ask you, if you could have a magic wand and fix one challenge in India's education today, what would it be and why now?
Fix the challenge, I believe it's about building the confidence level of every child and making every child believe that they are unique. No child is same as the other child. So every child should feel that they are the hero of their own lives, and they will be able to achieve anything in their field, irrespective of where they come from, be it from a government school, private school, or any other privileged background. I believe the confidence in the child, because of so much of information that is being given to a child at this nascent stage, small children get to believe even wrong information, and they might have their confidence go back. So I believe every child should feel that they are the hero and they'll be able to achieve anything in their life. That would be my. I'll be fixing this.
That is very inspiring, ma'am, and thank you so much for your lovely words and thank you for being here.